So folks, leading on from yesterday we focused on assessment task 1, section 2 that should have been. So section 2 of assessment task 1, we're going to move on to the purchase budget, which you are required to do for this assessment task. So we're going to talk somewhat about how to go about approaching that assessment task. The information that you've currently got in your workbooks is this table here, and welcome for you guys that are watching at your office or from home. What we have here is desired ending inventory of the 31st of July 2018. And we've got product A, product B and product C. So their desired ending inventory at the end of their month is 1,200 product A's, 800 product C's and 1,900 product C's. All right. Folks, let's ask, what's inventory again? Stock. Thank you very much. So goods, stock, whatever it be, whether it be bananas, apples, computers, it doesn't matter. So stock. This is what they want. Why? I have no idea, but they want this at the end of the month. What's also provided in this table is the opening stock, or the opening inventory at the start of the month, being the 1st of January. What they have for product A is 800, B 600 and C 500. So from this information and from your previous task in relation to the sales budget, we can go forward and start to create a purchase budget. So let's start transferring some numbers, and remember we're talking about units or products here. This is not money, all right? Not money here. So the ending desired inventory at the end of the month for product A, what did we have? How many? We're just transferring this, product A. What is it? 1,200, thanks. For product B, how many do we want? 800, thank you. And for product C, what's our desired ending? 1,900, thanks. Work with me guys, work with me. So here we would add the sales for this particular period. Now, those of you that did the inventory or the sales budget yesterday, you will come in the totals, you will see that in product A, what was the totals for product A? Did anybody go through that as yet? Maybe not. But it's on video for you, and it's in your lecture notes and so forth. So the total for product A was 3,000. The total for product B was 5,500. And for product C, we've got 5,600. So that was the sales for the period. And in accounting terms, in financial terms, they often use this word period referring to a time period. And in this case, we're talking about a 1 month period. So be mindful of that the use of this word. Okay. So in relation to this, at this point we would add up 1,200 and 3,000. So what does that equal, guys? How much? Sorry?
4,000.
Thank you. So 4,200. And again, 800 plus 5,500, what's that? 6,300. Wonderful. And 1,900 and 5,600. What's the total there? 7,500. Is that correct? Yep. Happy with that? Wonderful. Stick with me. It all makes sense in a minute. So what we've done is we've added together, and we're talking about products here. Remember, this is not not money. The sales is not cash or money, it's volume, it's units. So we've got a unit of 1,200 plus 3,000, which gives us a total of 4,200 for product A, and so forth with B and C. However, with the information you were provided, you had an opening inventory. For product A, how many were they? 800, thank you. 800 for product B, 600, and for C, 500. Fantastic, excellent. So, in relation to opening inventory, opening and desired inventory with the sales, we minus the opening inventory. So 800 minus 4,200, what does this equal? 3,400. Fantastic. Well done. And the next product B? 5,700. That is excellent. Well done. And for the product C? 7,000. Fantastic. So, in relation to a purchase budget and the production requirements of this business, they need to have purchase 3,400 of product A, 5,700 of product B, and 7,000 of product C for the next period, if you will, which will be the month of February. Wonderful. So this is how, in this assessment task, how to approach the purchase budget. I understand there's other tools and other methods in terms of creating a purchase budget, depending on your business model, etc. But this is something appropriate for this particular assessment task. So please have a look at this. I'm recording it so you can have a look later to remind yourself how to approach it. But this is what I suggest. So, yeah. Any questions? Any thoughts? Any comments that you'd like to make? Yes.
What is the sale for period, the numbers?
The sales for the period. That's a good question, and that's in our previous topic on creating the sales budget. And I went through that yesterday in some detail, and that's also available for you online. And it's some of the resources are also being sent to you, particularly that Excel spreadsheet that I sent. You'll see some good information in that Excel spreadsheet that will assist. But that's a good example. The sales figures came from a different report, and in accounting you often will find where numbers and volumes and dollars will be transferred from one report to another. So it's important that you understand the process or the procedure in terms of how these things work. Wonderful. All right. Good. Thanks. Thanks for your participation.